Today I'm going to be taking on my worst nightmare, putting on all 20 of my cosplays in one day. Well, actually, I have about 6 hours to do this. Dun dun dun! Okay, the backstory is that I have been making costumes since 2017 and I have amassed about 20 of them, and some of them I haven't worn in years, so I'm challenging myself to put them all on today. For reference, before we get into it, this is the list of the 20 different cosplays that I have to put on today. So let's get into it. Okay, we're starting with my least favorite to put on, which are my Wonder Womans. The first one I'm going to be putting on is actually the first costume that I ever made, and it's going to be my Wonder Woman from the 2017 movie with Gal Gadot. It's kind of comical, the comparison between this one and the one that I made last year. These ones didn't even fit here because they're armor, so they're in this giant bag. To me, this is garbage. Like, I would have thrown this out if it wasn't like a relic. All right, paper clipping it together. This is the costume that got me into cosplay in the first place. At that time in my life, I had like zero self-confidence. I kind of took Wonder Woman's energy and tried to embody that in my own life. And if I hadn't done this, I probably wouldn't have made all of these. So, I don't know, whatever. The point was to put it on, and it's on. So next up is Wonder Woman 1984. Let's put this on. I made this in 2021. No, 2020. I made this in 2020. 2020 was the year I first started like admitting that I was doing cosplay and not just pretending I was just really liked Halloween. I cannot sit for this. Oh my god, get on my body. Whoa! Wow, look at that, direct progress in 3 years. Now let's do whoever's next on the list. Tried to do like a aged up Hermione, but I feel like that ruined it. So she's cute and she was my first Harry Potter cosplay, so she's a special place in my heart. So next up, I want to do Bellatrix, but I have to throw in Rey really quick because that's the last one that uses my actual hair. This cosplay is not finished, so I don't super love it yet. I'm literally so lazy that I won't even look at a reference picture. The shoes, aka the reason I had to make this cosplay to justify this purchase. I'm like out of breath. Okay, now that we're done with my hair, we're going to adventure into the land of wigs with Bellatrix. Okay, one of my favorites. Bellatrix Lestrange. Look at my laced up. Oh, we got it. Don't look. The fact that this string is so long means that it's not laced up, which is my least favorite part. Why am I always cosplaying characters with snatched waists? I made this Halloween 2021, my spooky cosplay of the month of October, and I still love her. I definitely should not have done Bellatrix first out of the wigged people because I needed my previous makeup for my Starlight look, but this is just what is happening. The speed I'm going right now is actually kind of unbelievable. Why is this the face that I make when I take off my makeup? And then the name of this game is not what looks the best. It's what makeup is the fastest and I can get away with it when you're looking at it from far away. I just realized that I don't think I have my Starlight boots here. I think they're at my parents' house. Oh, I'm so mad about the shoes. Here's what it looks like when I have the whole thing on correctly. Okay, we have to get over it. Let's go. We're moving on to the next one. Well, the story is here with this one that the back of the hat is sliced in half because this is a child's hat. That's classic, just me not caring about what the back of the costume looks like. We're serving looks and we're serving baseball. That seems wrong. Oh, that looked good. I'm literally out of breath after that. This is probably better than the original makeup I did when I did this in 2018. I'm having the sudden realization that it's winter and it gets dark out at like 3 o'clock, so I have to move along. Okay, next is, I have to wash my face. I am starting to get stressed. That's gonna have to be good. All right, she's cute. Okay, next up is Sarah Sanderson. We have to start being quick. This is probably one of the cosplays I am most proud of. This is all hand beaded. It was the first corset I ever tried to make. We have like 2 hours of sunlight left, so gotta go. This is the cosplay I am the most proud of in the whole world. I just feel like $1 billion when I put it on. I just am so proud of it. So the shoes that she actually wears in the movie, I just love it. If I could wear one thing for the rest of my life, it's this outfit. I love it so much I don't want to take it off and show you the rest, but I have to. Okay, now we have Martha May Whovier. She's from The Grinch. You probably recognize her from that like 12-second scene. I did a second version of her this year. That's what we will go into next. This wig is perched precariously on top of my head. But this is my most recent cosplay, Martha May Whovier version 2. Here's what she looks like. I am very proud of this wig. It's probably the most complex wig that I've ever done. This begins our Harley Quinn section of this video. Obviously, she is my favorite character to cosplay, aside from Barbie now. But what they have in common is that they're both portrayed by Margot. What a surprise, my favorite actress. This dress seriously sheds like crazy. There are just sequins all over the floor anytime I even look at it. This is actually my first cosplay that wasn't a Halloween costume. Here's Birds of Prey Harley. Oh, I just forget how much I love the sleeves on this. Next is Breakup Harley, who I've actually never like fully cosplayed. Here, enjoy the first look of Breakup Harley Quinn. Okay, next is another unfinished Harley. We have Roller Derby Harley. I have like a million unfinished Harleys. I'm trying to cosplay all of her outfits ever so I can do one giant video of her closet. But that's taking a long time because I have to make a lot of them. Ugh, the last Harley, she got all messed up when I put the shirt on. I had a big like internal debate on whether I should even do this cosplay because I was like, oh, it's like too sexy, people are gonna make fun of me, whatever. And then I did it and I just felt so confident. And now I've like gone into a deep dive of all of the Harley outfits. I will own them all. I will collect them all like Infinity Stones one day. It's the second to last, you guys. It's Sebastian Aces. This one is cursed. Stick it right in. It absorbs right up. It appears that the mustache did not survive the last time I wore this. I probably threw it out because it was so caked in glue. So I'm just gonna have to figure out what to do about that. Well, yeah, there's a reason I had a specialized mustache for this. This is giving. You know what it's giving. Don't make me say it. And with that, the completion of Dirt Stash Johnny Depp. We did it. We finished. Let's take a look at our surroundings. So this is the aftermath. I really did finish this in 6 hours. It was crazy, and I was kind of cleaning up as I went, so this isn't even as bad as it could have been. But I'm going to do a video reviewing all of my cosplays and ranking them, so stay tuned and come back for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching this video.